how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing today? My name is Beth, and I got my... Hello everyone! How you doing? Okay, so before my camera cut off, we were starting to show you the Tutti Frutti collection of the summer. So look at how adorable this palette is. Look, and it has like a little flap here, and look at adorable colors. All these cute colors. So I love these. They're really have some golds. Like, I don't know if it's like kind of looks like a little greenish. But a lot of good colors in this palette. I love it. And look at how cute. Love it. And we got the Tutti. This doesn't come in the collection. I bought it separately. It's a setting powder. It is banana cream. It's, oh my god, look at how cute. Bananas. And look at them in the mirror. It's a little banana. How cute. And you can go set up your powder. I thought it was supposed to smell like bananas. No? But look at how cute. This is setting powder. Really adorable. I'm liking that. And this is highlighting duo. This comes in the kit. This is cute packaging. Again, look at a beautiful highlight. So if you want to do a darker highlight, you could probably even use that for a contour. And look at how cute with the little banana. So adorable. Loving. I just love this packaging. It's so cute. And then this one, okay, this came into the Tutti Frutti color. What color is this? This is Grin and Bear It. And I love the packaging again. They hit it out of the park. Look at this. Oh.
Week 2 finals.
And I love the Doofa. Tastes good. Ooh. Then I got these cute, it's Better Than Sex mascara. It's supposed to be 100% dramatic, 100% longer lashes, and 97% it creates like falsies. So look at this. Ooh, this is cute. So adorable. Ooh, I love this one. It's like really fluffy. Like that. I'm definitely going to do a tutorial on this. Just putting it on and making a look. And I saved the best for last. Look at, this is a mirror. I have to show you, this is adorable. Okay. What did they do? Oh, I think they, let me just snip it. A little hard to open. This is a mirror. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Ah! Look at, I gotta take it out of the packaging. Look at how adorable. And I have I have to take the film off so I can look at myself in it. You have some kind of film on here. I guess to cover the mirror. Take that off. Oh, loving. Look at how cute. as a little, really, really cute. So I am going to definitely do my next tutorial with this. Cute, cute. Here's little Floppy. Really, really adorable. So I'm definitely going to do that. So I got this cute, cute mirror. Loving this mirror. I'm going to put it back to keep it nice. And it comes all nice and wrapped and everything. So this is the new Too Faced Summer Collection. Tutti Frutti. Loving the packaging. It's like, they're so cute. Loving it. I mean, everything is so adorable. And I love how when you open the, put this back in here. When you open the packaging and you see in the mirror like a little banana. And this one too, it is so cute. And you can see a little pineapple. Really, really cute. So that is it for this unboxing, and I thank you very much for being here with me, supporting my channel, and I love you all. Thank you. And if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the little bell in the corner to know when I do upload. I thank you and have a great day. Alright, I am back. I forgot to show you this bag that I got for free with the collection. What am I thinking? Look it, I got this bag for free. A tote bag. Isn't this adorable? Let me get this open for you. Let's take all this other stuff out. Look at this. Look at how cute. It has a little, and this is Tutti Frutti, the collection, and it's a see-through. I think I'm going to use this for my beach bag. Look at look at how adorable. This comes free when you buy the collection. Love it, love it, love it. I just love it. Look at how cute. And it has the pineapple with sunglasses. Love it. So, I'm sorry I forgot to show you this. I have to show you. It's so cute. So, if you buy this collection, this will come free. So, again, have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Love you.